Hey guys, welcome back to Naptural2. In today's video, I'm going to be following Naptural85's tutorial for the perfect twist out. Unfortunately, I don't have the melanin hair care products, but I'll be using her exact techniques and using the same types of products. In place of her melanin curl souffle, I'm gonna be using the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. And as you can see, the consistency is the same. They're both very thick, right? And the only difference really is in the color. They're both hair butters. And so instead of using her melanin hair care oil blend, I'll be using my Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. So if you're interested in seeing how my short hair turns out with Whitney's technique, keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more hair videos and click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so she starts by sectioning her hair into 3 sections on each side. So I'm gonna take one side here and clip it away. Okay, so this is my first section. Let's see what's next.
Alrighty, so we're all detangled. So of course we're going to start with our twist elongating style cream to moisturize and seal. You can use the twist elongating style cream on dry or wet hair. It does have water in it, and then we're also going to go over that just to lock it all in and soften up with the multi-use pure oil blend.
Okay, so the first thing she does is give her hair some moisture. I just blow dried my hair last night, so my hair is pretty moisturized and I can skip that step.
I'm going to grab enough for my section. I always start out with a little bit and then add more, but this is again a buildable formula. It's really hard to kind of go overboard with this. You can definitely pile it on if you want to, and you can also get great results with just a little bit.
Okay, so next she grabs a handful of her twisting cream. I'm just gonna add about this much. I have less hair than her. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over the section, making sure I get my ends. Okay, let's see what's next.
Love this oil blend. It seals the hair in, it moisturizes, and to top it all off, it is greaseless.
Okay, so next she adds her oil. I'm just gonna add a few drops. And put that in the section, get it smoothed through from roots to ends. Okay, let's see what's next.
So now we're going to start twisting, and I'm going to do a flat twist. A flat twist is my favorite type of twist to do on twist outs. When you're taking it out, it separates on its own, and so that way you definitely reduce the frizz.
Okay, so next she just goes ahead and does a flat twist. This won't be a flat twist tutorial just because I'm not the best at it, but you can easily find flat twist tutorials on YouTube. But basically you start right on your scalp and then you split it into 2 and you start twisting, and you take that bottom section and you add it to a new section from the rest of your hair. So you take that top piece, twist it under, grab another piece from your section, add it to that hair that you just put on the bottom, twist again, grab from your section, add it to your twist, twist again, add to your section, twist again, and then add that last piece, and then you twist like normal down the section.
After I'm done twisting, I rotate the twist in my hand, but I'm also twirling the entire twist so that it tightens up right here at the root, okay? The tighter your twist is, the more definition you're gonna get. The looser your twist is, the less definition you're gonna get. If you make it really tight, it's gonna dry in that tightened coil state. So we wanna make that tight. Don't break your hair off, okay? Make it reasonably tight. So once I'm done twisting and tightening that twist, I wrap my hair in a Bantu knot, and it's not gonna stay like that forever. This is just to hold it in that tightened twist while I do the rest of my hair. If I let that twist go, it's just gonna open up on me, and I'm going to get still beautiful definition, but it's not gonna be tightly coiled definition.
Okay, so after she's done twisting, she checks for frizz, and I don't have any frizz. So since I don't have any frizz, I'll move on. And what she does is she twists the twist so that it's very tight. Okay, so after she twists it, she goes ahead and wraps her hair in a Bantu knot. Okay guys, so my twist wasn't staying in the Bantu knot, so what I'll do instead is go ahead and take a bobby pin and pin the ends down. And that's just so it'll stay in place while I finish the rest of my hair. Okay guys, so this is my last section here. So once you're done with the twist, you're supposed to stretch it and pin it along your head. So that it can dry in this stretched state. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So this is what my hair looks like. So I'm gonna tie this down and go to bed, and I'll be back in the morning to show you guys what my twist out looks like. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I'm running late and it's the next day, so I'm just gonna quickly take these down. Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly pop in and show you guys what happened to my Twistout within minutes of hitting the Florida humidity, right? So obviously this is after a long day. I got up at 8 a.m. and it is now 8 p.m. But yeah, my hair puffed up, right? So this technique did not work at all for me, unfortunately. Thank you guys for watching.